Ka Presiden Keri India ka Droupadi Murmu ka balapoi tiap Nongbah Tura ka Plie paidbah ka 5th Meghalaya Games ha Purno A Samngma Stadium ha Dakopgre Tura hakhmat kilai hajar ngut ki Samla ialehkai mar ki phaw hajar ngut ki paidbah ki shlei hakini ka madan ialehkai baitynnat. Daga ktien Hindi ka Presiden Droupadi Murmu ka padiah ka jingkren Plie yakini ka lumpung ba ha Tura. Ka 5th Meghalaya Games hatura kalasdang haka khatsan terik kelalengkot matkan kut haka arpau terik. Hakani kesengi Plie la don lang nalor ulat ke Jylla Phagu Chauhan, Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke Sangma, Speaker ke Iingdorbar Thaw Ain Thomas A Sangma, Menteri ki Kampen Roy Sports bak Shaklir Wajri, bat kiwe ki Menteri jong ke Sorkar Jylla, ki officer, ki coach, bat ki nong penyat ya kini ke lumpung ba. Keagatha ki Sangma MP ke Lok Sabha Natura, kala ai ke jingkren pediang ngobha ya ke Presiden ya ulat bat ya barok ki Menteri Sorkar Jylla, ya ki nong penyat ki nong ialehkai neki khat arthli ki district ke Meghalaya, bari ki hek ki han ki badan hakani ke lumpung. Keagatha kala penken mau ya ki jing angnut kupa jongka Purno A Sangma, ban poi syakani ke thong, ban penlong ya ke lumpung ba ha ke ba ki nong ialehkai neki kendong kensrot jong ke Meghalaya, kin yo alat ban yulum lang ban penpau ya ke nam ke burom, kasap ke pong, bat ya ke jingkrau jong ki riulum kari India. Hakini ke kenti deki kun jong Purno A Sangma ki bala pen urlong ya kini ke jing angnut jong kupa jong ki. Hadin bala Plie paidbah ya ke 5th Meghalaya Games lapen bot deki program temksing daki kenhon nalum khasi garo bat jantia. Maria poi hamadan ialehkai ha Dakopgre ka mehtap Sangma ka kurim jong Menteri Rangba kala tawa rendia tho riau stem harendang ka Presiden bat kiwe ki jing ai ngobha ki bekentup ya ki rendia dakmanda bat ki jan rusom chakini kenong sensyar bah kledo jong kari.
Our Honorable President arrives.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is my proud privilege to welcome to this grand venue the Honorable President of India.
Here she comes,
Droupadi
the Honorable President of India, Srimati Droupadi Murmu ji.
Mahoday, Droupadi Murmu ji.
This is her maiden visit to the state of Meghalaya. People are cheering. You can feel the excitement. And the national anthem.
Thank you, the brass band of 2nd MLP Battalion Goiragre, led by Band Commander Bharat Chaudhary, for a wonderful exhibition of your talents, invoking a spirit of patriotism in each one of us.
Sincere thanks
हमारे राष्ट्रीय
to
गीत
the
के
band commander
शानदार
Bharat
प्रदर्शन
Chaudhary.
के लिए ब्रास बैंड को धन्यवाद. May I now take the privilege of inviting Honorable Member of Parliament, Srimati Agatha K. Sangma, to deliver the welcome address.
Srimati Agatha Sangma, the Honorable Member of Parliament from Tura.
Coaches to identify sporting stars of the future, and the results demonstrate superior athletic capability matching those of international standards. I also welcome all the sports enthusiasts, invitees and attendees. Your enthusiasm and support are the lifeblood of these games. Let us showcase the warmth, hospitality and unwavering spirit of Meghalaya that shines brighter than any medal. The 5th Meghalaya Games are a testament to the collective strength, talent and aspirations of our state. May these games be an unforgettable spectacle, leaving behind a legacy of inspiration and a renewed commitment to fostering sporting excellence in Meghalaya. Once again, I extend a heartfelt welcome to Her Excellency, Honorable President of India, Srimati Droupadi Murmu, and each one of you, and express my gratitude for making this event a grand success. Your Excellency, anga daal tentang manca acikan songni manderangni phalo nangko khushiyong e remchakshwa aru chingni gisak kathong gemakchi chingni ya songo rebanina mathela plakon mathela. Thank you. Kublai Shibun. Jai Hind.
A memento of Meghalaya Games and Arindia handed over to our President, Madam, along with a beautiful hand-woven mulberry silk sari and a dakmanda set for you, Madam.
26 percussionists and 10 matur warriors.
We are witnessing a cultural diversity of the state of Meghalaya. You can feel the pulse, the excitement, the energy of the spectators.
We are now witnessing the dance of Shat Masti performing by the Khasis.
A wonderful display of talent. The music and the dance is so energetic.
Lastly, we have the Jaintias with their beautiful Shat Plang. Shat Plang is a plate dance performed by women of the Jaintia tribe in Meghalaya. The dance involves balancing and holding two plates, one in each hand. This festival of dances is held annually for a day in the month of April and May before the sowing season. The performers include 50 female, 2 male and 7 percussionists.
Waiting for our president, standing there in this cold weather, braving this cold weather. I congratulate you, I thank you, and I thank all the organizing committees for the wonderful work that you have done. May these games be a great success, and I wish all the athletes the very best. Remember, it's not just about winning. It is about participating. It's about discipline. It's about hard work. It's about teamwork. It is about sportsmanship spirit. Winning or losing, you will come out as a better person after these games. I wish you all the very best, and I wish these games the very best. May God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.
Is a welcome step and would ensure wider reach of such events among masses. The development of sports inspectors in the state will also get a boost when these events are held at different venues. I commend the state government and local administration for using this opportunity to engage the local residents in beautification programs, cleanliness, and plantation drives. I am confident that such Jan Bhagidari programs and multicultural events will go a long way in building social harmony and creating trust among various communities of the state. India's sporting culture has developed immensely in recent years. With government's new initiatives and encouragement to the athletes, Indian sportspersons are now winning more medals than ever in global events. Indian contingent delivered spectacular performances in recently held World University Games and Asian Games. Programs such as Khelo India are helping in identifying and nurturing future sports champions. Our athletes are so determined and committed that they are making a mark in para games too. Our men and women sportspersons are keeping the India's flag flying high. Ladies and gentlemen, India has also demonstrated its ability to host large-scale international sporting and other events. India has organized the Chess Olympiad, Under-17 Football Women's World Cup, the Men's Hockey World Cup, Boxing Championship, and most recently, the Cricket World Cup. This year is March. In March, for the first time, India will host the World Shooting Para Sports event. The organization of various state-level games and other cultural and trade events will contribute in building robust sports infrastructure and creating a strong sports legacy in the country. I would like to ask the children and youth of the country to learn at least one sport and participate in sports activities. You may or may not adopt sports as a career, but playing together will inculcate team spirit and competitiveness in your personality, and apart from keeping you physically and mentally fit. In the end, I extend my best wishes to all the participants and wish this event a great success. Thank you. Jai Hind, जय भारत, जय मेघालय।